Victoria Anderson here at HPE Tech Jam in Orlando, Florida. I'm here with Kaushik Shirhati, Vice President of AI Factory at NVIDIA. Now, Kaushik, NVIDIA is a diamond sponsor of HPE Tech Jam. You've attended several events. You just finished up your keynote. Tell me, what value does HPE Tech Jam bring to NVIDIA as a partner?
Victoria, thank you so much for inviting us. We are always so excited to be at Tech Jam. HP and NVIDIA has such a rich history of working together and working with our partners and our customers in really understanding their AI journey and solving some of the hardest problems that our customers face. And we're very excited about Tech Jam because it's just such a culmination of all the best talent from HPE and the partners and our ecosystem here.
Awesome, thank you. Now, having just completed GTC last week, which technologies excite you the most this year?
Yeah, GTC was incredible. I think we're going to look back at this GTC and really talk about like the inference inflection point. We are making a big move from just chatbots to real agentic workloads being part of an enterprise workflow, and that takes a lot, right? From a software perspective, I think NemoClaw in conjunction with OpenClaw was the superstar and what that's brought to the industry. And then from an infrastructure standpoint, we announced Vera Rubin's, the performance that we're delivering, which is 35x inference performance, then previous generation is incredible. And when you combine that with some of the other technologies that we are bringing with Grok LPX, that's pretty incredible. And so we're very excited about that.
Awesome, exciting indeed. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate you. Enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you. Thank you so much.